We have a similarity in other bases. We're going to look at a base 8 example, and then in the next video, we'll do a base 6 example. So in base 8, when we break apart, we don't get 10 pieces out of it. We get 8 pieces out of it. So 107, or sorry, I just made the mistake that I tell students not to make all the time. 172 base 8, it's not 172 because we're not in base 10. So 172 base 8 minus 35 base 8. So one flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rods and 2 units. And I need to take away 5 rods. 5 units and 3 rods. 3 rods and 5 units is what I want to take away. Well, I start with units and there's already not enough. So I'm going to take one of these rods and it turns into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. Why does it turn into 8 units? Because we are in base 8. One rod is worth 8 units. So now I have 10 total units. I have the 8 that I borrowed or regrouped, and I had the 2 that I had originally started with. So now I have at least 5 to take away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we go to the rods. Originally I had 7 rods. Now I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I only need to take away 3 rods. 1, 2, 3. So anything I haven't crossed out is left over after I took everything away. So my resultant is going to be 1 flat, 1, 2, 3 rods, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. And make sure we write what base we did this in. This is base 8. 1, 3, 5, base 8. Now let me do it the algorithmic way so we can see it that way as well. 172 base 8. Subtracting 3, 5, base 8. When I go to subtract, I start with my units and I don't have enough. I don't have enough. So we are regrouping. We're borrowing according to how we kind of phrased it when we were taught as young children, right? But when I borrow one from here, it does not turn into 12 because it's not 10 that I borrowed. We're not in base 10. We take 8 and combine it over here, meaning that there's 10 here because it was 8 borrowed with the 2 that were already there. So this is 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. And now with the rods, we don't have any other issues. 6 minus 3 is 3. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1, 3, 5, base 8.